Good evening. Tonight I'm making homemade pumpkin bread for my boys. They absolutely love it and it's really easy to make. It's honestly better than any pumpkin bread I've ever bought from the store. So if you guys come along, I will show you guys how to make it. Here's your recipe, so if you want to go ahead and screenshot that, now's your chance. And we're going to go ahead and start making it. So what we're going to do is mix all the wet ingredients together first, slowly add the dry ingredients to it, and then we'll pop it in the oven at 350 and bake it for 50 to 60 minutes. There it is. It looks beautiful. Now what we're going to do is put a towel on your countertop and tap it a handful of times, and that'll help you get out all the air bubbles and help to settle it down. Just like that. And then I just like to smooth out the top because it gives it more of a smooth finished look up top. And it's going to be really thick. This is very similar to when you make banana bread. Okay, got our oven preheated to 350. So now we're gonna pop it in this oven, middle rack, bake it for 50 to 60 minutes until you can stick a fork in the middle, pull it out, and it comes out clean. Now we're gonna let this cool down for about 10 minutes before we slice it. Perfect. Now I'm going to surprise the boys and give it to them to eat tonight. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, enjoy the recipe and enjoy the bread.
I also wanted to show how easily this bread can be sliced. Of course, I struggle a little bit here because I'm trying to do it with one hand so I can record, but this bread, once it's cooled, does slice perfectly and it makes the most beautiful, perfect piece of bread.